Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. First time buyers, be ready for this opportunity in Balvenie Heights, Mandeville. This 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom house is a dream with large living room, spacious bedrooms, and amazing lighting. This ready to move in house will have you feeling right at home. It is close to banks, schools, Mandeville town, and the land area is 13,000 square feet. This gem will not stay on the market for long. Do not hesitate. Make an appointment today. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, terrazzo, water tank, water heater, grilled, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, TV cable, view of the mountain, central location, family oriented, low maintenance yard, quiet area, and pets are allowed. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $182,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.